What is up, you guys? It's Sam. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a completely different video that I've never filmed or have posted on my channel before.
Which, if I haven't filmed it, obviously I haven't posted it.
But anyway, so in today's video, I'm going to be living the life of a influencer. Now, before I say who the influencer is, I do want to say that there is a reason why I picked this influencer and not like another influencer that I like. So with that said, the influencer that I'm going to be living like today is Allison Bickerstaff. Now, for those of you who don't know or have never heard of her, she is literally the most genuine person ever, in my personal opinion. I found her on YouTube a couple months ago and I literally watch her videos every single day. I kid you not, I'm like obsessed with her channel. I don't know what it is about her, but you could just tell that she's so genuine and passionate about what she does. And I think that that is such a good personality to have. And with that being said, it's also just, she's always so happy. Even though she may be like going through something, you honestly could still tell the type of person that she is, and I find that that's very hard to find in this world nowadays. So I really like that you can see the genuineness through her videos and through what she's producing for us. So that is why I picked her. I think that she has really good ways of going about things, and I also agree with a lot of the things that she preaches and how she, you know, like lives life. So that is why I chose her rather than just another influencer that I watch. So I'm going to be living the life just like Allison. If you guys can, tag her down below so she could see this video because I want her to see it. And also pause the video right now and give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed so you can see more content from me. And without further ado, let's live like Allison for the day. Okay, you guys, so this is today's outfit of the day. I'm just wearing this shirt from Boohoo and these high-waist blue jeans. I decided to wear this because I actually bought this off of one of Allison's links on Instagram, so I know she has worn it before. And she always wears jeans, so I just picked out some nice high-waisted blue jeans, and that is what I'm going to be wearing today. After watching a ton of Allison's videos throughout these past couple months, the couple things that I picked up that she always does no matter what day it is she always cleans, she always stays organized, and she is always productive. And those are three main things that I think everyone kind of always tries to strive for. So in this part of the vlog, I'm going to be cleaning my room because can we just look? What is that? I still have Christmas decorations up. And what's the date? It's January 28th. Christmas was officially more than a month ago and I still have Christmas decorations up. Why? I'm not sure. So I'm gonna clean my room and I'm going to do some work on my computer because she also always does that, and honestly, we're all busy people. We all have to get things done. Right now I am going to Target. I'm sorry if my camera is a little shaky. I don't know if you guys remember, but Back in December, I got a tripod for my car, and then it broke. It literally decided to fall off of my car while I was driving. Okay, well, it didn't fall off my car, but it fell off of like my windshield while I was driving, and my camera literally went flying, and I thought it broke, but thankfully it didn't. But now, see, my camera's shaking and it's making me upset. We're gonna ignore it because that's what we do when there is a problem. We just ignore it when it's a minor problem. But it's actually kind of funny because I was watching Allison's vlog, and she literally had the same problem. Like, her camera wouldn't stop shaking. And that part is honestly just a coincidence. I didn't plan that. If I had a tripod, I would actually use it. She actually put hers on like this thingy. It's like a handheld tripod, and that's why hers was shaking. But mine is shaking because it's literally just on my dashboard. And I'm like hoping it doesn't fall over. I have like things propping it up, but it's just shaking, and I don't like when it shakes. But I wanted to talk to you guys. So in one of Allison's videos, well, actually not one of, in a lot of Allison's videos, she goes to Target. And honestly, I have no problem going to Target. Target is literally my favorite store, at least right now. Like, I love Target so much. I'm literally always at Target, and I'm going to get some like Valentine's Day treats because I am going to bake for some people in my family and my boyfriend's family and some of my friends. So I'm going to bake, and I just have to pick up some like home necessities, and then I will do the next task that Allison would do. But I just wanted to talk to you guys again while I'm driving, just because why not? I wanted to talk about like the real reason I'm making this video, just because I know a lot of people are gonna say, oh, it's for views, oh, it's so she could repost it, oh, it's because of this, oh, it's because of that.
No.
It's literally not. If one person sees this video, I would be happy. Like, I'm not making this video for views at all. I'm making this video because it's actually something I have fun doing. And I also actually do think Allison is inspiring. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I think she's so genuine, and her word choice in all of her videos are so like pure and good, and I really like her vibe. So I'm not just making this for her like to repost or anything, because it's very unlikely that she will even see it. And I just wanted to say that because I know a lot of people do post things just for views, and that is honestly not why I'm doing it. And again, I will be happy if this gets 1 view. So I don't know why I felt the need to go on a tangent about that, but the real reason I'm making this is because I think it's fun to make, and I think it's fun to see how other people live. And I chose her again because she lives that like productive, organized, and like pure life that I feel like a lot of us want to live. So that is why I am making this video. Will I say this again some point in this video? Probably. Will I say I'm sorry for it? No, because I feel like it's needed to say. I'm trying to like recreate things that she would do, so obviously I need to like say it, you know? Now I'm almost at Target, and I will see you guys when I'm there. I'm gonna like buy all the stuff, and then I will do a mini haul when I get home. And then I'm probably just gonna bake, and that'll probably be it. I feel like Allison does so many productive things, but I can't do it all in one vlog. So if you guys like this, make sure to comment down below, and I'll do a part 2, either of Allison or someone else, if you guys do want to see me do like other people's lives as well. So be sure to like it up and let me know in the comments. Also, let me know in the comments whose life you guys would want to live or like recreate for a day. So I will see you guys when I'm at Target. I was looking at the mugs, and I feel like this is just something that Allison would get and like drink coffee out of, so I felt like I had to include it in the vlog. So I think this is the first time I've actually came to Target and never got anything other than food. Like, I only have 3 things in my hands, and it's only food. Like, that's crazy. I actually don't have the urge to buy anything else. Whoa, mind blown. Wow, you guys, I'm so proud of myself. That was honestly the first time I went to Target and only came out with one bag and it's only filled with like 3 things. So I'm just gonna do the haul right now really quick because there's no point in making you wait when it's literally only 3 things that I got. So the first thing I got was this Funfetti vanilla frosting container for my cake that I'm going to be making. It just looks like this. It's dyed pink, so that's why I got this one. I actually have one in my back seat that is frozen because I left it in my back seat. So since the weather is so like crummy and yucky out, I shouldn't leave food in my car. I mean, you shouldn't leave food in your car regardless, but it was like things that didn't need to be refrigerated and I left it out in the cold and it is literally solid, like it's a rock now. So that was not a good idea. So I had to get it again, but it was only $8, so it's okay. And then the next thing I got are these like little arrows to go on the cupcakes or cake. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna make yet. I think I'm gonna make cupcakes just because these would look cuter. I'm gonna make them now to test it and then we'll see how they look for Valentine's Day and then I'll probably make them again. And I also have this Funfetti cake mix with candy bits in it and it's obviously the Valentine's Day one because that matches the theme. So that is literally all I got from Target, and again, I'm so proud of myself because usually I get so much more, and I'll even show you guys the receipt. $8, so I'm proud of myself. Obviously, I haven't had my coffee today. I woke up at 3 a.m. for my job, so I'm gonna go to Starbucks and drink some coffee. I usually don't get coffee, but the problem is I'm extremely sleep deprived, so I need coffee in order to stay up and like still work out and stuff like that. Okay, so I just got home from Starbucks and I forgot to tell you guys that I chose to go to Starbucks because that's where Allison goes, and I usually would just make coffee from home, but I was like, oh, you know what, like Allison goes to Starbucks, I'll go to Starbucks since this is like living a day in her life. But then I forgot to film at Starbucks. So just take my word for it, I got an iced coffee at Starbucks and I drank it, and right now I am so hungry. So we're gonna have some food. So welcome to my fridge where we have food. Okay, that was cringy. Anyway, so for dinner, I try to meal prep as much as I can. So today I'm gonna have some oranges, some grilled chicken, and I put them all in like containers like this. And then I just have a carb, and today I'm gonna have whole wheat pasta, and that should be it. So I just put my cupcakes into the oven, and I forgot to tell you guys, if you haven't watched Allison's channel, you definitely should. I will link her channel, of course, down below. But I forgot to say that Allison created this new thing that she calls Allison's Eats. And I actually was going to create one of her recipes in this vlog, but unfortunately I ran short on time and couldn't make it to the grocery store before they closed yesterday, so I'm not going to be doing that in this vlog. But I did want to say that I really think that the meal she makes is really nice, and she is actually one of the reasons why I started meal prepping. I watched one of her videos and I was like, wow, that's a really good idea of like how she did it. And I don't know, I really liked how she like described meal prepping and how like helpful it is for her. So that is what I was talking about in the clip when I was talking about meal prepping, and that is why I talked about it, because this is living like Allison. And I promised you guys I would say it again, and I think I said it 20 more times, and I probably will say it more, but about wraps up this vlog. So I just wanted to conclude really quick again by saying I created this because of how genuine and passionate Allison's vlogs and videos are and how easy it is to see that, and because that is someone who I think reflects who I am, or at least who I try to be. So I really look up to her and she inspires me to always continue doing good. Again, comment her down below and share it with her on Instagram, just because I want her to see that I actually really enjoy her videos and I am so grateful that she makes them and that they make me happy. And that's literally like the only reason why I want her to see this video. So if you could, do your magic. So just to like conclude what Allison does, or at least like what I see that she does, I was very productive today and I stayed very organized. I baked, I got a lot of work done for school and for my YouTube and for my job. And honestly, it's what I would do every day anyway. It just kind of helped keep me motivated. So yeah, I kind of just realized that we're all kind of like the same. We all want the same things. I don't know if that made sense, but you guys know what I mean. If you guys liked this video, please remember to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more videos from me. Always comment down below videos that you want to see from me. I will see you guys in my next video, and I hope you all have a very blessed and nice day.